Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OAuth with Google for custom apps, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Google Developers Console at console.developers.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, click on the Select a Project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Click on New Project to create a new project. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Optionally, add a project ID. Click on the Create button to finalize the new project. In the left sidebar, navigate to Credentials. Click on Create Credentials and then select OAuth Client ID. You will be prompted to configure the consent screen first. Select External if your app will be used by users outside your organization. Fill in the basic information such as app name, user support email, and developer contact information. Click Save and Continue to proceed through the Scopes and Test Users sections. You can skip adding scopes for now by clicking Save and Continue. Once the consent screen setup is, under Application Type, choose Web Application. Enter a name for your OAuth 2.0 credentials. In the Authorized Redirect URL section, enter your app's redirect URL. This is where users will be sent after they authenticate with Google. Click Create to generate your OAuth 2.0 credentials. You will see a client ID and client secret. Make sure to copy these down securely. Now, navigate to your application and integrate the client ID and client secret into your app's configuration. If you're using a library or framework, follow its specific documentation for implementing OAuth. Test the OAuth flow by attempting to sign in using your Google account. Monitor the response to ensure the authentication is successful. In case of errors, check the redirect URLs and ensure they match exactly with what you've entered in the console. Once configured correctly, your app should be able to authenticate users via Google OAuth seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.